Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need about I.Resolution. What is I.Resolution? So I.Resolution is just intelligent resolution. This feature enhances the perceived sharpness and detail in images captured by this camera. So when it's disabled, this disables intelligent resolution, so the camera doesn't apply any sharpening or detail enhancement. Low, standard, and high, so these settings adjust the level of detail enhancement applied by the camera. So lows applies subtle enhancement, standard, so moderate enhancement, and high applies more aggressive enhancement. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.